Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove channels on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to the very bottom right here, and we have these tabs. Okay, so what you'll do is just basically tap on updates. There you go. And then here we have the channel section. Now, in this list are all the channels that you currently follow. So what you'll do in here is basically tap on one channel that you wanted to remove. For example, I wanted to remove Netflix. I'm going to tap on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on the three dots right here at the very top or the top right. Tap. And then once done, there's an unfollow button. So go ahead and tap on unfollow. And it says here, are you sure you want to unfollow Netflix? Stars will be removed from updates in this channel. If you're sure, go ahead and tap on unfollow. Wait a bit, go back and check right here. You'll be able to see that it's gone. Now, if you want to remove it all, well, you can tap and hold, and then tap on three dots, unfollow all. Unfollow, and it's gone. That's how easy it is to remove channels on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.